This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a high-profile location in the South Loop, directly across the street from the fabulous Grant Park, and close to dining, nightlife, colleges and universities, and a CTA Red Line stop for a tour of one of the apartments at the new 820 South Michigan. I'm in Unit 701, looking out on Grant Park in Lake Michigan, looking directly at the site where the popular Lollapalooza Music Festival takes place. Turning around, this is a one-bedroom apartment. Looking at the living, dining, kitchen area. You have very high ceilings here, 12, maybe 13 feet. Stainless steel appliance package includes a dishwasher, built-in microwave, 2-burner electric cooktop, gooseneck faucet on a wide sink, and these great windows looking out over the park. Looking at the bath, very sleek, stylish finishes, everything new here. You have shelving in the tub surround for your shampoo, whatever. Wall-mounted medicine cabinet, and the plank flooring that continues throughout the unit. Heading back toward the bedroom, there's a closet off to the right. Another closet, which would have been to your left as you enter the unit. And then now, looking at the bedroom, looks out to the west. So we're going to have great afternoon sun here. This is a fabulous location. Everything new in the building. And you have what are probably the most approachable rent levels anywhere in the South Loop. If you're budget conscious, you really want to have 820 South Michigan on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.